Hello, this is a hotel reservation system. Now I'm going to present the hotel reservation software. The first thing, how we can check and how we can check out, and after that we have multi-type of hotels are as per user role. User can access a single hotel, and within a hotel there are multi-type of rooms. So meanwhile, we have entered four type of rooms, just like general rooms, deluxe room, executive room, and luxury room. So after that, when I would like to check in a customer, so for this purpose, this is my check-in date. And I'm going to select the check out date, and after this if I select a hotel, so I can select a hotel, or by default I can search and type of rooms. When I select all type of rooms, the system will give us all type of rooms, and now we can see here general rooms, deluxe room, executive room, and luxury room. So within general room, I am going to select a room A103, and there are two allotment types. We can select this auto allotment or manual allotment. So now I'm going to select auto allotment and add to cart. So I can remove the also this one, but I want to book this room. So now within cart I can see here, and I can see the price, the room type, and duration from this date to this date, and now I'm going to book this. Now this is a simple system, just like I select a room, and after this, if this is the returning customer, means there is a customer already exists in our system, so we can select search from here, just like I'm going to select this one. So the user already exists. Now I'm going to choose this one, and the other one, if I now want to add new customer, this is a new customer. So let me fill the form. This is the first name, and this is the last name, and after this I will select the username or email for him. So this is the email. @ of mail, and let me give some password. And let me select the OTP, etc. And this is a customer, so let me save this information for this customer. So after this I will select this one, just like I created salam@mail.com. This is the email address, and here I can see the further detail. Just like I want to click here, I can see the complete detail here. But for this account, there are some limited permissions. So let me also change the permission to see the customer detail. Also, let me choose this customer. When I choose this, a new window created here. This is a dynamically created options that we have already set in our system. And here we have some voucher information we can create. Also we have add some address. This is further information for the customer Saddam, just like some address and some city, also country, some state, and some phone number, and some zip code. Now let me save this customer address. The address option is important for the reservation process. Uh, so now let me save this, and after this the user address created here. This is the optional thing. We can add this after some time, or within the reservation we can add this. Also the final thing is summary, where we can send some message to that customer. We can send some email, and the thing we want to create order. So let me accept the payment, just like select the option payment accepted. So create the order, and the payment type are different types. So we can select the cash or bank wire transfer, or any option we can select here. Also, when I get the payment from the customer, so that time the system will automatically create the order, automatically create the invoice, and also we can initiate refund for that customer. This step is the customer document detail and note, etc. we can add here, but these all things are not mandatory. The most important section in this reservation, we can just accept the payment, and the next thing, the customer paid us. After we can check in, this is an option to check in the customer, and let update the status. So the user checked in, the total amount is this, that already listed here. If we have some message communication, so we can see here his the total room he booked is number 1. Also this is the private area, we can create some note, we can send some messages, just like this is a message area, and some message we create and want to show to the customer. All these things are listed here. Now the main important section is this is here. Now the check-in date is 31/2022. Now if we want to check out this customer, so the price will be same, we simply click check out and update the status. This customer will be checked out, and the room will be automatically transferred to the initial reservations section. Just like I am going to create this section again, and let me show you what happened when we said booked a room. Just like 103, I have booked this room, so that room, so the numbering is 102 and 104 available here. Now I am going to add the payment, just like some other payment, some cash. I want to, this is the, and this is some, just like 200, another payment the customer paid us. So this is the payment section, and the system will be managed automatically. Now, as per our system gives us some warning, just like the customer needs to pay 2,700, and he paid 2,900. So within invoice, also we will explain all these things to show to our customer, as well as we can keep the amount for next booking, etc. Also, if we give some discount to the specific customer, or the customer also want to add some other room, just like 103, he booked this room, he can also book another room, so we can add another room from here, and this is the direct method on a single click. And add discount, this section, when I click this, I can just discount to this customer. It's a simple direct way to give discount to a specific user. So within the user booking section, we can add this. This is not for all customer of the day, or some this the thing I'm talking about. This is specific for a single customer. And now we can calculate by percentage, by total amount, and total amount, just like add some amount 100 discount, and the uh, if the customer have too many invoices, just like he booked 10 rooms, or he booked 2 rooms, so every hotel, and each hotel and each room have their own invoice and invoice number. But if you want to give discount for $100, so the policy will be applied for all invoices when I select this option. So let me add this, and now the now the final invoice is minus $100 is a discount rate, and the fine is 2,600. Also, we can delete this voucher. And for further detail, if the user want to relocate the room, he requests for relocation, so we can also relocate the room. And this is the payment option already done, and this is a complete booking process. Now I am going to print the order. So this is the format for printing all the order, all the things, each and everything are listed here. And now let me view the invoice. Now here I can see the invoice complete structure. This is the invoice with dated, this is the invoice number calculated by the system, automatically calculated, and this is the customer detail. And now this is the invoice number, invoice date, order reference, and this is it. Now this is the room, and room type already listed here. User booked the general room and the hotel room already, and also the room capacity is listed here. Also the price is this, and this is the number of rooms also here. Now payment method, customer paid $2,700, also $200. So here we can see the final amount is 2,600. Also, we have some initiate refund policy. Now let me click here. When I click here, the system will initiate a refund policy. So we can enter the reason why we refund. So the refund policy, as we have created, we will list here and initiate refund. So the refund policy will be done accordingly. And the final thing, if we want to check out the customer, so here let me update the status. The checkout date cannot be before check-in, so the system will never allow me, so I cannot change the checkout. So the process is before I will cancel the booking, I will create the refund policy, which is listed here, and I will create some note against. After that, I can cancel the room. Okay, thank you, take care, bye.